attempting to. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen or not. I already pulled the cover off. Just a little wiggle. Like I said earlier, I was not planning on doing a rebuild on this, so we're just gonna try to wiggle this head off and hopefully separate the head from the interior jugs. Not feeling super confident, but we're just gonna try it. Alright, as you can see, we are running out of daylight, but I was able to separate the head from the block, but just like last time, the jugs are coming with the head. Yeah, a lot done on day 3. Unfortunately, it was all off camera because I just really wanted to get the work done and really be focused and not worry about setting up the camera and getting good angles and all that kind of stuff. So, I'll catch you on the next one. And we are back. It's been several days since I've actually touched Noreen. I was basically stuck. I ordered a bunch of parts which cost a lot of money, but they're go fast parts and they'll last forever because they're quality parts. So yeah, let me open up the rig, show you what I've done so far. In my downtime waiting for parts, I ended up spraying all of this stuff right here. These tins are currently in the primer phase along with this coolant pipe. But we have our valve covers and our intake manifold all sprayed up. Currently waiting on an engine crane or engine hoist or cherry picker or whatever you want to call it. And we got one. My buddy Brendan let me borrow this cherry picker so I can drop this motor and hopefully get it rebuilt and get it back in the rig within the next couple of days. So I wanted to give him a quick shout out and show you a quick tour of his shop.